of San Jose Las Flores in Guatemala. They also handed over a .22 rifle along with 5 live rounds of ammunition.
On Saturday, the 11th of August, Forest Rangers handed over to San Ignacio Police one Jaime Calderon, 27 years, Guatemalan, and our investigation revealed that Calderon was inside Belize's territory in the Caracol area, and at the time was armed with a .22 rifle, which was loaded with 5 rounds of ammunition. The Ranger patrol intercepted him, and he could not produce a license for the weapon, hence the reason for his detention. He has since been arrested and charged by San Ignacio Police for the offense of kept unlicensed firearm and unlicensed ammunition.
Is it believed that this person was conducting illegal activities in the Caracol Archaeological Reserve area?
At this time, I would not be in a position to say that, other than to say that he was found within the Caracol National Park.
We have reported